projects take time, but Nirvana Villas, here it's different. 1 month on and the transformation is undeniable. Welcome back to Nirvana Villas, our 8 private ultra-modern 5-bedroom townhouses with a promise of space, speed and sophistication. My name is Juliet Badividaremoa, property consultant with Val Real Estate Ghana. Come with me for our May 2025 update. The last time I was here, block works and slab works were underway, but looking around, you've picked up the pace. So tell me, Engineer Ahmed, what is the latest?
As we mentioned last time, the 2 slab has been casted. So all concrete work now has been completed for the villas. For the swimming pool, remaining only 2 swimming pool, which started within 1 week will be completed 100%. For the block work, we have done 5 floors this month. We have done 4 floors MEB work, first fix. And for the plastering, we are like 20% of the internal and external plastering now.
Okay. I see some screeding works have been done.
Yeah, we started the screeding work. We have done 1 floor and we are looking to make more progress this month.
Okay, thank you so much. So in our next update, what should we expect to see?
First of all, the swimming pool to be done 100%. That is for sure.
Okay.
And to start waterproofing for the swimming pools and toilets. More progress in plastering, block work, MEB work, and screeding.
Okay, thank you so much for having us. I'll see you next.
Okay, welcome.
This is visible progress and soon a lifestyle you step into. Thank you for staying with us for May 2025 updates. To stay informed, stay connected. Follow us on all our social media platforms.